Hey folks, and welcome to week 8 of online AP Stats. This week you do have an end of chapter deadline, so that means your summative exam. If we take a look at the calendar here, you're going to see that you are set to take your exam on Thursday. This here is for chapter 3, and one class session or one win session will be enough for that. So I have already locked you into either win 1 or win 2 for that, and then you'll be coming in to take that test. And if you take a look at the folder, it'll actually talk about the exam a little bit. So if I scroll down here and we go to the testing folder, you will see what is going to be covered is this one paper-based test, 12 summative points in total for that. Of those 12 points, 5 of those are going to come from the multiple choice. And here's how the multiple choice will be scored in terms of getting the total points from 5 to 1 points based on how many multiple choice you get correct. If you get 4 to 5 correct, you get 5 points, and then so forth as it's stated here. Then you're going to have 3 free responses, all related to chapter 3, and they are worth 7 points. So that is where the 12 points are coming from. This test is not retakeable. It is our last test for the particular quarter, so please be as prepared as possible for this one. As a hint and suggestions, I'm going to tell you, study and look at that formula sheet. For this chapter 3 test, the formula sheet does come quite in handy. And do the chapter review. I highly recommend you do the chapter review and understand how to approach those questions. So based on that, the other thing I want to highlight too is just taking a look at week 9 or the last week of the quarter. We are going to be starting chapter 4, and you all do have lessons kind of put into place for that. I will tell you these lessons here, they do have a deadline of when we get back and start second quarter. However, these assignments will actually go into the second quarter grade book, but they, for pacing, should really be done for first quarter work. I highly recommend you do stay on pace, as this coming Friday, you have a day off. So take that day off and rest up. Don't worry about stats over the weekend, and just start fresh the following week on chapter 4 and stay on pace. And that'll be just kind of a nice groove for second quarter, as we are going to do chapters 4, 5, 6, and 7 in second quarter itself. So it goes fairly quick, and you just really want to try to stay on pace with that. It'll make it seem better and go well for you. If you have questions related to this upcoming test, again, you already are set for one of the win sessions. Please come prepared and track me down with any questions you have. Have a great week 8. See ya.